छुट्टी नहीं है, काम करके छुट्टी। हाँ जी, रेडी। A White House meeting between senior United States under bracket US and Pakistani officials also focused on the Afghan reconciliation process, particularly Pakistan's role in bringing the Taliban to the table, full stop. During the meeting, US National Security Advisor also acknowledged Pakistan's immense sacrifices in the war against terrorism and appreciated its commitment to eliminate this menace, said a statement issued after the talks, full stop. He deeply appreciated the pivotal role being played by Pakistan in advancing the reconciliation process in Afghanistan, Ambassador Jalil Abbas Jilani told Dawn after the meeting, full stop. Prime Minister's Special Assistant on Foreign Affairs headed the Pakistani team, which also included Ambassador Jilani, at the meeting, full stop. Early this month, Pakistan hosted the first direct peace talks between the Afghan government and the Taliban, full stop. The United States and China participated as observers, full stop. In Washington, US officials called the talks a step in the right direction and welcomed Pakistan's involvement, full stop. Pakistan has also been involved in these and we certainly appreciate its efforts and involvement, said a State Department spokesperson Mark Toner, full stop. But the US appreciation for Pakistan's efforts became even more obvious during Mr. Fatimi's talks in Washington this week, as US official mentioned this. In almost all the meetings the two sides have had so far, full stop. Deputy Secretary of State of America told Special Assistant to Prime Minister meeting this week that the US had noted Pakistan's positive role in facilitating the reconciliation process, full stop. But the appreciation went beyond the White House and the State Department and also echoed on Capitol Hill. Senator John McCain, a senior lawmaker and former Republican presidential candidate, expressed the desire to work with the government of Pakistan to realize the common objective of defeating terrorism, said a statement issued after this meeting, full stop. According to those involvement in the reconciliation process, all sides, including the American, welcomed China's involvement in the talks, full stop. Contrary to the common perception, it was Afghanistan, not Pakistan, which suggested involving China, full stop. In recent years, China has emerged as the largest economic investor in both Pakistan and Afghanistan, China's presence can assure a neutral setting as both Afghanistan and Pakistan trust it, and the Americans too would like Beijing to back the peace process, said an official aware of the proceedings, full stop. He and other officials said that India too was interested in joining the process but Pakistan insisted on involving only the immediate neighbors, full stop. Aware of Pakistan's strong aversion to any Indian involvement, the Afghans also did not ask for inviting India, full stop. Iran, another immediate neighbor, was also not invited, mainly because it had no clear position on the reconciliation process, full stop. But a future involvement of Iran cannot be ruled out, full stop. Two other countries with direct borders with Afghanistan, Tajikistan, and Uzbekistan were also kept out, full stop. The more we added the more variables we will have and more difficult it will be to reach a consensus, said another official. Aware of the proceedings, full stop, involving India too would have derailed the process, given the India Pakistan rivalry, he added, full stop. All sides involvement in the process are comfortable with each other, full stop. Both Afghanistan and Pakistani officials agreed, but the US presence in the talks was necessary as it would add robustness to the process, full stop. A US owned process will be difficult to disrupt, said one official, full stop.